Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann. For today's video, we have a try-on and review of a Wantable Sleep and Body Edit. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you being here, and today I have a Wantable Sleep and Body Edit. I've only done one of these before. I got a really great pair of warm weather pajamas. I have been looking for a pair of summer weight pajamas with short sleeves or a tank top that has longer pants instead of shorts, because I'm not the hugest fan of my legs from about here down. So I went ahead and decided to go ahead and try a sleep and body edit out and see if a stylist could help me find these. I'm going to give a quick 30-second rundown of Wantable, and then we're going to get right into the try-on because I'm wearing the first set. So Wantable is a styling service. A stylist chooses 7 pieces for you that they send to you in your home to try on with things from your own closet if necessary. Probably won't be necessary with the sleep and body edit. They have several different types of boxes that they call edits with different themes that they can send to you. Your $20 styling fee is refunded to you with anything that you keep, and shipping both ways is free. If you use my link below, you will get a $25 credit towards your first sleep and body edit. If I remember correctly, that covers your styling fee plus some to go towards your first purchase. So no risk to you if you give this a whirl for the first time. Again, you don't have to do sleep and body. You can do style. Sometimes they have things like a summer or a fall theme box. They have men's, all sorts of good things. Alrighty, let's get into our try on. So first of all, they did have some briefs that underwear that I went ahead and asked for in case nothing else worked and I had something to apply my $20 towards. Also, I'm kind of in the need of undies right now, so I put that on my wish list. They do have a wish list. They call it, they might call it your wish list, but they have a stream. You can go down and pick out things you really like, add them to requested items, or you can decline things so they know not to send you that or things like that. I can't remember if I requested this one or not. I did go through and click a few things off to try and help the stylist. Her name, by the way, is Lindsay. I had Natalia for a long time. She seems to have disappeared. I know she's still around because I see her with other people's boxes, but Lindsay, I think, did a pretty good job. This set is exactly what I was looking for. This color green is not one I normally choose to wear. Not a huge green fan. I do like some greens, but in my pajamas, it's kind of fun. I can wear colors I don't think are particularly flattering just because it's fun to wear them. And it has a green zebra print on the pants. I'll show that to you when I take them off. I like the way this fits. Often in these sets, the top will fit and the bottom will be too tight, but that is not the case here. So depending on the price, and I'm saving the prices for the end so it won't influence my decision while I'm trying on, I may keep these because this is really kind of what I was looking for. The pants do have a drawstring waist, so I can adjust these to be as tight or as loose as I need them. And I really like that because I kind of need them cinched up a little bit, since by the time you get something to fit my hips, it's usually pretty big through the waist. So there's that. And just a simple basic t-shirt on top. Let me show you the whole thing from the back. Got a little crew neck going on here, but it's not a crew neck that's choking me. When it gets over my collarbone, I sometimes don't appreciate it very much because I feel some pressure on my neck, not feeling that at all. So I think this is kind of cute in this celery green color. What do you think? I promised you I'd show you the print up close of the green zebra. Isn't that cute? This is a very cottony material, by the way. Let's take a look. What is the fabric content? This is by Hue. It's an extra large, at least in the pants. Let's see. Machine wash cold, tumble dry low. Yay, I can dry it. It is 60% cotton and 40% rayon. And let's see what the top is. Also by Hue. I'm going to be surprised if this is an extra large because of the way it fit me. I think these pieces are going to be sold independently. I really haven't looked at the price sheet yet. So let's see what we got here. Or the inventory. The Invoice. I don't see a tag. Okay, the top is also 60% cotton and 40% rayon. It is also machine wash and dry. This is a size medium. So these two pieces are going to be sold separately. So if that's the case, I'm probably glad that she was able to find two pieces that match. But on the other hand, when they're sold separately, sometimes that really jacks the price up. All right. Also, I forgot to mention at the beginning, if you keep 5 or more pieces with Wantable, you save 20% off your total. Next up, we have these really cute long sleeve pajamas. These are like a heathered lavender. There's a ribbing right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a cuff around the sleeves. Nice, loose, flowy fit to the top. I love this for sleeping. This would be very comfortable. The bottoms have a drawstring. They're a little tiny bit snug, but I don't think they would be bad for sleeping. They come just above my ankle. I am 5'9", so if you're shorter than me, these will probably be a longer length. Depending on the fabric content of this, I haven't checked it yet. They may shrink in the wash, which would make them not work very well for me. Here they are from the back. Let me pull that up so you can see how they fit. No doubt they're showing lumps and oh, they have pockets. Yeah. Okay, they have pockets. That's kind of cool. I don't know what I would do with pockets on pajamas, but it is kind of cute styling. She said in the styling note that these were summer weight pajamas. I'm going to disagree right here. I think this is too warm for the summer, and I'm looking for summery pajamas. Probably won't keep them for that reason. However, they are very, very comfortable. And because they would go into the colder months for me, I would want probably a nice long leg on them. So these are probably going to be a no. Let's move on to the next items. I'm sure you saw, but a detail I forgot to bring up. I got the 3 little buttons and they are functional on the top. The pants, by the way, were made of this exact same ribbed fabric, which is 50% viscose and then 25% each polyester and nylon. So there we go. Alrighty, next up, and by the way, there is 3 sets, so obviously these are all sold separate. Only took me till the last set to figure it out because 7 items come in each one. So 3 sets, 6 items plus the underwear 7. So this is our last items from this edit. It's this really cute little tank style pajama set. The top is a medium. I believe the bottom was an extra large. I'll check in a minute. This is a gauze material. Very comfortable, except I probably could have used a large in the top. It just is pulling across my shoulders a little bit more than I'd like. It's got this V-neck, little placket going down there in the middle. Here's everything from the back. I think these pants are a little bit tight for pajamas. What do you guys think? I do very much like the length on these. They're a capri length, and capri length is comfortable. It's great for the summer, I think. And it also doesn't bump into any slippers, because even though it's summer and I want the rest of me I want the rest of me cool, but my feet get cold very easily. There we go. So I do wear slippers. So I think this would work great for that. I just think the pants might be a little tight again, and the top definitely is too small. Alrighty, I'll be back in just a minute for a wrap up. Something I forgot to point out, and I may have even had them tucked in when I was doing the try on for you. Look at the cute little tassel ties on these pants. The waist on them, by the way, it's not, I like the waist up here, and it is kind of more of a mid-rise type waist. So anyway, there's another feature. This set, by the way, is 100% cotton. That means this would shrink even more. And I don't think the pants could afford any shrinkage. Maybe it's pre-shrunk. I don't know. I don't know if it will say that anywhere in here. But let's go ahead and take a look at our invoice. Here we go. My first look. All right. The double gauze sleeveless top in infinity blue, size medium by Echo. This is normally $69. And it's on sale for $34.50. That's really good. It's too bad it's tight. All right, let me just look down and find these. It's further down the list. This is the double gauze pant in infinity blue, size large by Echo. I could use an extra large in these. These are regular $89 and it's on sale, they're on sale for $44.50. So between the two of them, 39 plus for $79 for the set, if I could exchange both for a larger size. What do you think? Might be worth it for me. This is, I mean, they feel like they're very, very good quality, but I would definitely go up in size just in case they did need to go up in size, just in case. Okay, let me try that whole sentence again. Need to go up in size just in case they do shrink in the wash. Then we've got my favorite, the scoop neck PJT in foam green size medium. This is $38. So there's that. And to go with it, we have the Dewy Zebra Mod Classic PJ Capri in white, was really more green, extra large, $44. So this set is $72. So that would cost me another $52 plus tax because of my styling fee that I've already paid, the $20 styling fee being credited back. Okay, and next up we have the ribbed knit Harriet Henley in plum, size medium. This is $44 by Aegean Apparel. You know, that's really good. I think for the quality of that, $44 sounds like a pretty good price. The other thing, this could actually be worn as a real shirt too, you know, loungewear. I would sleep in it, but I could see wearing this just comfy, you know, cozy, hang around the house, but I could still run out to the grocery store or something type item. And then we've got the rib knit tailor lounge pant in plum, size extra large, and this one is $44. So same price, $88 for that set. That's expensive for a set, but I'd almost be tempted to keep that just to wear as a shirt because it was so comfortable. We are going into fall, so could call it a transition piece. And then lastly, we have the Hipster Bikini 2-pack in nude, 0 extra large. That's, I normally, by size, I should probably be a large in underwear, but I like going up a size. Anybody else like to do that? I mean, it avoids things like wedgies. And this is a Booty Echo Wear is what it's called, B-O-O-D-Y. That's cute. And this one is $27.90. And there, I think there's 2 pairs in here, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look. Oh, look, the price is right. Yeah, it's a 2-pack. All right. Anybody know anything about Booty, B-O-O-D-Y Echo Wear? Is that what it was called? Booty Eco, E-C-O, Eco Wear. Does anybody know anything about that brand? Is it a good brand? Please let me know in comments below. I requested everything in here except for this top and this top. So apparently she found the matching tops for these for me, which I appreciate because I couldn't do it. I couldn't find it on the site. There's so much in the stream. So I really appreciate Lindsay finding these matching pieces for me. All right, again, the merchandise total on everything is $276.90. The Keep 5 discount of 20% is $55.38. So after that, the order subtotal is $21.52. The styling fee credit of $20 plus tax, which in our state is $21.40, would be credited back. Then they add in sales tax. So the total on everything after discounts, credits coming back, tax, all that good stuff is $215.63. I think I'm likely going to keep the underwear. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and keep the green pajamas. They just serve my purposes best right now. I have a real need right now for short sleeve, lightweight summer pajamas. I can still get some good wear out of them before fall comes. And this right here, the price may be on sale with this, but I'll bet you because it's on sale, they won't have my sizes if I try to size up. I'll take a look at it. What do you think? What did you think of this Wantable Sleep and Body Edit? Thank you very much for tuning in and watching my, no, it wasn't unboxing. It was a try on and review of Wantable. I really like Wantable. One thing I think Wantable gets really good, and we didn't have any in this because it was a sleep and body edit, they are very good at jeans. They seem to have so many great jean styles. If you are in need of jeans or any other pieces of clothing and you want 7 items instead of 5 like several other boxes send to try, and you have not tried a Wantable Edit before, please consider using my link below to save $25 off your first edit. That also will give me a $25 credit, which helps me out so much. And thank you again to anyone who's ever used any of my links. You guys rock. You've helped me a ton, and I appreciate all of you. Like the video if you would please. That really helps me in the algorithms. Comment. I love commenting with you guys, having fun interacting with you. And hit the notification bell, of course, if you want notification of upcoming videos. And subscribe if you like all sorts of different types of unboxings. Would absolutely love to have you. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye, and be blessed.
Audio Jungle.